We all wear colors on our clothes, but do we carry those colors in our hearts too? That question struck me one day when I saw a boy in my neighborhood wearing a white shirt, a green scarf, and eyes filled with a calmness as if he was separate from the chaos of the world. He was just 14 years old. But the lesson he gave us, even grown-ups might never learn. It was evening in a small village. Children were playing, women sipping tea outside their homes. But in a quiet corner, 14-year-old Arslan sat silently holding an old white shirt and a green scarf. His friends came and asked, "Arslan, aren't you coming to play with us today?" He softly replied, "No, I don't feel happy. There are so many problems, people fighting. What's the point of celebrations at home?" His mother took out an old diary from the cupboard and said, "This belonged to your grandfather. Maybe the words inside will give you a new way to think." Opening the diary, Arslan read, "White color is the message of peace and purity in our hearts. Green is the symbol of hope and life. These colors are not just to wear but to live by." Turning the page, he read, "When we bring white and green into our actions, that is when the world around us changes." Next morning, Arslan wore his white shirt and green scarf and stepped out into the street. His first good deed, he stopped to fighting children and said, "Come, let's play as a team. The victory will be for everyone." Next, he saw an old man struggling with his heavy bags at the market. Arslan rushed to help, saying, "Uncle, let me carry that for you." Then came a real-life lesson he shared with everyone. When one day at the bus stop, a crowd rushed onto the bus pushing and shoving. A woman couldn't get on, and the door closed. The next bus wouldn't come for a while. Wasting her precious time, Arslan raised his voice and said, "Waiting calmly for a couple of minutes won't make you late, but pushing and shoving causes harm and delays for everyone." After that day, people started lining up patiently to board buses and vans, giving space and respect to each other. Seeing all this, more neighbors joined Arslan's efforts, planting flowers, fixing benches, and teaching younger children. A week later, the village looked transformed. Where fights used to happen, laughter was heard. Where trash used to lie, green plants now swayed gently in the breeze. Everyone was amazed that such a big change started with a single 14-year-old boy's heart. Gathering everyone, Arslan said, "Colors don't only look good on clothes. When they come into our hearts, they change the entire picture of life." That evening, Arslan wrote on the last page of his grandfather's diary, "I have begun to fulfill the promise of white and green. I will spread peace and ignite hope. Keep the white and green colors alive in your heart. That is your true identity." If Arslan could begin the change, so can you. Share your thoughts in the comments. Your words can inspire others. Like, share, and subscribe so more hearts can join this journey of peace and hope.